sakuyona futhi i-New Testament sibe kule ndawo ukuthi understand izenzo kwenzakalani kwizenzo umlando in the New Testament. There's so much history there. So uma ufuna ukwazi umlando ke New Testament you go to Acts. Kanti uma ufuna ukwazi umlando kwi-history kwi-Old Testament you go to Joshua, Judges, Ruth, Samuel, First Samuel and Second namakhosi, Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah and Esther. Bese kuba ukuthi ke kukhona ke umphostoli uPaul uke wahamba naye wahamba kambi wazoshaya unyazi sizwa lo mlando mele umshaya unyazi kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi masikakhuluma ngamagama manje waphenduka wabona ukuthi lento yakhe ukuzingela nokufuna ukubulala amakholwa ayisebenzi into ayizokusebenza so wajika wakhuluma ivangeli ebekufanele alikhuluma atshela abantu kuJesu. Okay, now uma batshela labantu ahambe izizwe nezinayo afika akhe endaweni afika kuzona akhibandla yabo. Now le situation esiyibona manje yampostoli kusho ukuthi one siyafunda ukuthi umpostoli usebenza kanjani uyayenza kanjani umuntu mase guqukile yini ayenzayo ukhuluma kanjani wenza njani ngalezi ncwadi zaPaul because ubefika lapha afika abantu bekade bezenzela into yabo abayithandayo ngendlela benza ngayo bengayi indlela yokudumisa uNkulunkulu belahlekile nje abahlekile ngayo yena bese fike batshela ukuthi uma ningafunda or ningalandela imfundiso or nilandele uJesu into ayenza then nizokwazi ukusindiswa nina nizokwazi ukuthi niphile naye akaphilanga noJesu umpostoli Paul kodwa wathatha imfundiso ngoba kwasekukhona usebenzekile ngaphambili wasithi akalishumayele ke alifundise leli vangeli elalimele ukuthi abantu bamazi uJesu yabo. So that is what yona into ayifaka kubantu. So this is why you'll find ukuthi ubhale incwadi ebhalela amabandla elaseRoma, elaseKorinte, elaseGalatia, elaseFesu, elaseFilipi, elaseKolose, elaseThessalonika. So ubabhalelelani na ngoba akasekho yena but ufika watshala something kwase kuba khona ke nabantu abazoqhubeka nale nkulumo yakhe kade eyikhuluma. So sekubalekile ukuthi kuma challenges that they are facing because they were writing to him first bese beyabaphendula ukuthi emini nje yenzani kanje emini nje to that specific church. Uzothola ukuthi kuma Roma ukhuluma okungafani nokwasethesela because ama situations awafani. So this is why ke ayibabhalela ukuze kube khona into ebhalwe phansi abazo understand and lezi zincwadi lezi kwathina njoba sesimabandla nje sisonkonzo yami iyasilekelele understanding ukuthi okay abaseThessalonika when they were faced with into kanjena benze njani wathini umpostoli Paul lo wafaka ivangeli kubona wabaphendula wathini yabo benza kanjani ukuze kulungele leso simo. So such things ziyasilekelela when you read. So I'm encouraging you to read read and understand what you are reading and understand the context yabo lo kade ubhala ubekuphi becabangani ubebhalela lento ebhalayo. So if you can understand that then umhlaba ngeke uzofane nale ndawo lesibone ngathi manje akusahlaleki kuyona but uzoba umhlaba all right because you do understand everything that is there ukuthi ikhonelani and ibhalelweni kanje. Okay, so bese kuzoba nalezi ncwadi ke lezi ezigeneral nje lezi zobo Hebrews, James no Peter, John, Jude nelendoza nesambulo. So yeah, waba nabo kabangani waba nabantu ba close to yena uPaul umpostoli Paul okunguTimothy, Titus noPhilemon nabo ezibaba bangani babehamba ngalendlela bashumayela ngalivangeli leli. So kwabaleka ukuthi kube khona izinto alokho ebatshela zona ebaphendula kuzona. Uma ufundisa kahle futhi ngempela zonke le ncwadi uphendula ngokwama challenges of each and every church or indawo or lo muntu obhalile abhale kanjalo. So there shouldn't be any confusion on all of this. So into engithi ngibuye ngingayizwa kahle ile uma sekuzoshoda incazelo sekuchazelwa kumuntu uma usufundile usuyaqala uyashumayela usuchaza ngenye indlela le wena oyicabangayo but awusakhulume kuyona lento. Yazi ukuthi mawenza lokho uyabalahlekisa abantu ubenza futhi bangalifuni kakhulu iBhayibheli bangabisalifunda. So can we change thina abantu simaphambi kwabantu and tell people the truth nangendlela kuyiyona then sibanikeza abantu lento ukuthi nabo baphiwe iauthority and bahlakaniphile abantu, nanokuthi they have questions abo, you know. So wena as a leader, as a person obekwe phambi kwabo, you are there to clarify what's not clear to them, and also to teach them what they do not know, and also give them information that they do not have. And then bese uyabanikeza lento ukuthi egcineni konke abacabange bayakwazi ukucabanga, bayicabangela bona ezibihlaniphile, then sekuyoba kubona ukuthi with the information that you gave them bazoyisebenzisa kanjani. That's all I wanted to say today ngendaba ukuthi asifunde neBhayibheli and lihlukaniseke kanje. So any other questions you can ask, and then so that sizokwazi ukuthi ngikulekelele. Ngifuna okwamanje ukuthi ukugxile ekwazini iBhayibheli libhalwe ubani, libhaleke kanjani, futhi nalo mawufuna ukwazi ukuthi lelo liphethe, ngikhuluma lelo liphethe liqhamuka kwenzakalani kulona iBhayibheli. Sephithi la selidala ke leli, it doesn't have la eqaleni into ebhalayo, but incwadi yonke iba nayo indawo echazayo ukuthi iBible Society othi ngizama ukuthola leli mhlambe enalona lisazoveza kahle lento. Angifuni ukwenza lento ungayiboni, ngilinde kancane. Oh yes, nginawo nje amaBhayibheli maningi, so uyayibona into engishoyo, nanti kubhaliwe la yonke le information liqhamuke lelo liphethe uzothola la. Njengoba kukhona nje ukuthi ukuhlelwa kokuqala kwaseNingizimu Afrika 1997 leli ngiphethe leli before leli, ngoba ngiyazi leli lidala ingakho ngingasenayo lezi zinto. Inhlangano yeBhayibheli yaseNingizimu, that is the first South African edition. Angitshabo, this is the first leli ngiphethe, first South African edition yenziwa ngo-1977 iBible Society. Lithi I must fully describe all rights reserved. No part of this publication may be reproduced, sorted, or stored in a retrieval system, or transmitted in any form, or by any means, electronic, mechanical, photocopying, recording, or otherwise, without the prior written permission of the publisher. So there is a publisher here. The publisher is the Bible Society of South Africa, Tiger Valley, Belleville. And the Mafuni website here about www.biblesociety.co.za. La print wakuphike selizileba kanje. It was printed by MET Printing Limited, Printing Company Limited, and then igupile Dogmo, it's Bridge Dongshen, Bridge Industry Zone, China. Okay, so this book that I'm carrying, print a shine, in company shine. So that information is very important. So that's ngizokhuluma into ephambene nokulunga nengafanele futhi sikhuluma. Asikhulumeni kuyikona, and then this is the book ekufanele uyifunde uzijwayeze yona uma ngabe ungumuntu oya esontweni. Uma ngabe uyasonta, fundisisa, and then be true to yourself. Understand it. Understand the context, context, so that you won't be confused, so that now confused. Once you take all of these things as they are, and also try and relate with then ngizisiza kanjani ukuqhubekela phambili, ngimsiza kanjani nomunye umuntu, ngireferensa la eBhayibhelini ukuze akwazi ukuphila uma umuntu osontayo, umuntu uhambe isonto. Ngithi yabona lento, so ngizama ukugcizelela lento indaba yokuhamba isonto nomuntu osontayo, ngoba kuhlukile nomuntu okholwayo lento engiyikhulumayo. So ukuze ukwazi ukukholwa noku-understanda, you have to first read, understand yonke into, idoctrine yebandla lakho, ile ncwadi elandelwa ebandleni lakho, iloko elikholelwa kukona ebandleni lakho, then ke uzoba sharp. Before uzuye kwezinye incwadi, first understand le oyiphatha everyday esontweni lakho. Mazu lokuzileke, then uzobe usuyakholwa ke. Yabo ku easy ukuthi ukwazi ukukholwa. Angithi yabo, ngoba ukukholwa kuyilento ukuthi wenelisekile. Wenelisekile nje. Ngibaya basho bathi ngibheme ngakholwa. So you are satisfied. and then iyodwa-ke into enginisele iyo njengoba ngithi ngiyakholwa ukuthi uyedwa umdali wezulu nomhlaba, akabonwa, akazali, akazalwanga, and ukimi ngaphakathi, umoya umoya. So lo moya okimi ngaphakathi umoya kaNkulunkulu, mina akakwazi ukubonakala ngoba umoya, kodwa mina ngoba ngisemzimbeni kusho ukuthi into engiyenzayo enhle irepresenta yena, kuzovela yena. So ingakho ngasonke isikhathi ngilwela ukuthi ngenze kahle. I'm not perfect, but ngilwela ukuthi ngiyenze kahle so that oseceleni ezokwazi ukubona uNkulunkulu ngami, ngoba ngeke ambone indawo ngoba umoya. So it's me who has the responsibility yokwenza kahle khona kuzobonakala uNkulunkulu kimina. Amen.